Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I'll start from this portion, Anthony Lavoisier. But before it, I want to say, actually from the revision chapters, I will mark the important portion only. That's why you will follow the class very carefully and you will learn this important portion for upcoming your annual exam. So look at your book and start the important portion. Anthony Lavoisier. His most fundamental contribution to chemistry was that he changed the nature of the subject from the qualitative to quantitative. Next, hydrogen was first obtained by Robert Boyle and oxygen was first obtained by Priestley. Hydrogen was first obtained by Robert Boyle and oxygen was first obtained by Priestley. Next, Anthony Lavoisier proved that a substance burns only in the presence of oxygen. So for burning or combustion of any substance, oxygen is mandatory. Next, Anthony Lavoisier established that sulfur is an element, it is not a compound. He predicted the existence of silicon. Next, John Dalton. John Dalton laid the foundation of modern science by advancing his atomic theory. So basically, for atomic theory, John Dalton first, the founder of atomic theory. In 1803, the salient features of the theory are elements are made of extremely small indivisible particles called atoms. The atoms of an element are all alike and differ from those of others. मतलब normally एक element का all atoms are same, but the different atoms from different elements are separated and different. Next, atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Next, atoms of different kinds combine among themselves to form a compound. Atoms rearrange themselves in a chemical reaction. Next, Dmitry Mendeleev. His table also helped. His matlab Mendeleev's periodic table also helped him to predict the existence of three elements today named scandium, gallium, and germanium. Next, Mendeleev studied the origin and the composition of petroleum, an underground deposit from which we get petrol. So नॉर्मली हम लोगों को पेट्रोलियम के बारे में और कहाँ से हम लोगों को पेट्रोलियम या पेट्रोल मिल सकता है उसके बारे में फर्स्ट जानकारी कौन दिया था? मेंडेलीव. नेक्स्ट, मेंडेलीव इंट्रोड्यूस द मेट्रिक सिस्टम इन द रशियन एम्पायर. नेक्स्ट, in honor of his contribution to chemistry, the element now placed in the 101st house of the periodic table is named Mendelevium. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. What is Mendelevium? Mendelevium is the theory by which normally we can easily place all the elements in 101st house of the periodic table. That is known as Mendelevium. So student, I hope all of you understood what I will discuss in this video. In the next class, I will discuss next chapter. So you will follow the important portion which actually I will mark. So for today, up to this portion.